Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the Junior Juggernauts, the tale of under-11 Titans, where the Dream Cricket Droner Star Strikers clash with the NJYCA Asteroids in a New Jersey hub thriller. A canvas set, awaiting the young artists to paint their vigor.
The stage is set for these spirited Colts to etch their names in this chapter of cricket. Anticipation is sky high as the Star Strikers ready their bats against the formidable Asteroids.
In a skirmish of skill and strategy, the Asteroids triumphed, sculpting a victory with precision. The game ebbed and flowed with each ball, crafting a narrative of nail-biting excitement.
Indeed, a low-scoring duel where every run was a golden nugget, the Asteroids navigated through the rapids with finesse. The Star Strikers set the board, but the Asteroids captured the king.
The Star Strikers, opting to bat, found a quagmire in the Asteroids' bowling mastery. Roy and Trivedi wove a fragile thread of resistance, contributing a valiant but insufficient stand.
The Asteroids bowlers were architects of discipline, crafting maidens and chipping away with wickets. Kartish stood out, his spell a testament to their strategic clampdown on runs.
Chasing a modest total, the Asteroids stitched a canvas of caution and aggression. Agrawal and Dynasty, architects of the chase, crafted a partnership that steered their ship to calmer waters.
While the Star Strikers bowlers hurled thunderbolts, Garikapati leading the charge, the Asteroids' measured approach weathered the storm, guiding them to a well-sculpted win.
On this battlefield of budding champions, Kartish emerged a dual threat with ball and bat, while Patel's bowling was a showcase of control and guile.
The duo of Kartish and Patel were the linchpins, tilting the scales in the Asteroids' favor. Their performances stitched together the fabric of this victory.
The NJYCA Asteroids clinched it by 6 wickets, an outcome carved by economical bowling and strategic batting. The Droner Star Strikers' valiance was overshadowed by the calculated chase.
A spirited bout concludes as the Star Strikers bow down to the might of a calculated Asteroids unit. Youthful exuberance met with calculated maturity in this engrossing contest. As this tale of the under-11 Titans closes, it's the Asteroids who dance in the victory lap, their story etched in the chronicles of the Junior Juggernauts.
Reflecting on today's saga, it's clear that these young Titans have displayed cricket beyond their years. The narrative of their journey is only just beginning to unfold.